In today's video, we cover the NCLEX step-by-step guide on how to apply for a USRN license. This short guide is to help foreign nursing graduates register their interest in NCLEX. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Register with the National Council of State Boards of Nursing, the NCSBN. Visit the NCSBN website to create a profile and submit your registration fee. Step 2. Gather your required documentation. You will need to provide evidence of your education and training in nursing, including official transcripts, a diploma, and any nursing license you may have. Step 3. Complete the NCLEX foreign graduate application. This form can be found on the NCSBN website. You will need to provide information about your education and training, as well as submit a copy of your passport and a copy of your visa. Step 4. Submit the application and pay the applicable fees. Your application will be reviewed, and you will be notified if you are approved to take the NCLEX examination. Step 5. Schedule your NCLEX examination. Once you are approved, you can schedule your NCLEX examination by visiting the Pearson VUE website. Step 6. Prepare for the NCLEX examination. Visit the NCSBN website for resources and practice exams, as well as study guides and tips. Step 7. Take the NCLEX examination. On the day of the exam, arrive early and bring all necessary identification. Step 8. Receive your results. Your results will be available within 2 to 4 weeks after taking the exam. I wish you the very best of luck with your application. Please like this video if you have gained useful information from its content. Please subscribe for more career-based info videos. Thank you for watching.